Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a Google Cloud project and enabling the Sheets API. This gives you the live endpoint you'll call. Once done, decide whether you need user access, OAuth consent screen, or server-server access service account, because that choice changes credentials and scopes. Now generate credentials, OAuth client ID for interactive apps or a service account key, JSON for backend use. Make sure to note the project ID and client email, since you will reference them in code and sheet sharing. You must securely place the credential file or secrets where your app can read them. For example, set Google application credentials to the key path for service accounts. Once done, share the Google Sheet with the service account email or implement OAuth flow to obtain a refresh token for user accounts. Configure scopes precisely. Use only the scopes you need, such as spreadsheets. Read-only or spreadsheets. Make sure your runtime environment has the proper client library installed and the credentials file readable by your process. Now implement authentication in code and construct the Sheets service object. Follow the client library patterns for your language. Once done, run a minimal call, read a range or append a row to verify that credentials, scopes, and sharing are correct. If you hit permission or invalid credentials errors, inspect the token, confirm the service account is shared with the spreadsheet, and verify scopes match. Finally, ensure the JSON key is valid and that your system clock is accurate so tokens are accepted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.